Hello and welcome to my channel Shankar Goes Around. Today's video is going to be a review of the Marquis Beach Resort, which is located in Candolim, Goa. It is located very near to the main shopping street in Candolim, and yet when you enter the resort, you get a feeling of absolute calmness. The resort has direct beach access to the Candolim beach. You could just walk out of the swimming pool and go straight into the less crowded part of Candolim beach. This has to be the best part of the Marquis Beach Resort. The pool is beautifully designed and neatly maintained with jacuzzi and a separate area for kids to enjoy during the day. There are 4 room categories. All the rooms have a balcony attached, but the difference is in the balcony view. Some face the pool while others face the garden area or the wall. So please make sure you are aware of it before booking to eliminate any disappointment at the time of check-in. Most rooms are of the same size and neatly maintained, although the bathrooms could have been slightly bigger. The breakfast buffet area could get really crowded during the weekends, and the buffet spread could have been a little better. We ended up going out for breakfast for 2 days out of the 4 days we stayed there. There is a gym with basic machines and dumbbells up to 20 kgs on the first floor overlooking the pool. There is also a spa which was neat and reasonably priced. Just outside the main gate, there is a taxi stand and also a place to rent a two-wheeler or a car. The two-wheeler rent was 500 per day and taxi to Candolim airport was around 1800 in an Innova. So let me know if you have any doubts regarding Marquis Beach Resorts on the comment section. And also do give us your review of the resort if you have already stayed in it.